We are all different. Some people are happy. Some people are angry. Some people are tall. Some people are small. Some people speak a lot. Some people rather not. Some like the sun too bright. Some love the quiet night. Some enjoy a book to read. Others help people in need. Some wake early with dawn. Some stay up late and then yawn. Some people like to swim. Many jog in the gym. Some paint pictures just for fun. Others play guitar under the sun. Some eat spicy. Some eat sweet. Some dance lightly on their feet. Some ride bikes up hills feeling free. Others watch birds happy as can be. Some play games on a screen. Others keep their house so clean.